Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got another video today, and it has to go back to the sheet metal one that I did, or the spot weld bit cutter video I did. And this has to deal with welding wire. Why is this important? In my experience of doing sheet metal work, and I'm doing patch panels or whatever, I've noticed that a lot of you guys are using a 35 or a 30 thousandths wire. Alright, I don't use those. I use a 023 or a 025. You can see it right there on that box. This is what I use, alright, for my sheet metal, is 023 to 025. Sometimes I will use a 030. It really depends on the type of work that I'm doing. Like if I'm doing like a floor pan, I use a 30. All right, if I'm doing not like a spot welds for the floor pan, I'll use a 30. I want to get good penetration. Why the smaller wire? Less heat. It takes less heat to melt that wire than it would like a 35. So I'm not putting a whole lot of heat in that panel and causing warpage. That's why they make the different ones, and this is why it's very recommended to do sheet metal work is 023, 025 on sheet metal work. All right. That's very important because I see a lot of guys are using 35 and they're having a lot of warpage issues and they don't understand why. That right there, that's why. Less heat. All right, so you don't warp your panel that way. All right, it'll help you guys out when you're trying to do patch panel repair or panel repair or spot weld. Even spot welds, a lot of your spot welds you can do with a 025. All right, do not recommend 025, 023 on spot welds. 025 to 030 on your spot welds, all right? That's the most I would go. You don't need 035. That's like your heavy duty metal. 3/16 quarter inch. All right? That's your real thick stuff, all right? That's it for that video. That was going to be kind of short, but I wanted that one to be out there so that way you guys are buying the correct wire for your application. Also, before I go, the gas on your welds. I use a 75-25 in my welding for my sheet metal, all right? It's 75%, or was it 75-25? Argon and O2, oxygen, all right? So it's 75-25, that's what I use in my garage, in my shop, and I use the welder that I actually got from Northern Tool, which has actually been a really good welder. Even past, and Lincoln's your good welder, you know. I just didn't see the Lincoln that I wanted for the price range, and that one works really well for the price range. And I'll see if I can make a video on that welder and put the links in the description below along with this. All right, I'll put the link in the description below for the 023, 025. I went to Home Depot, Northern, Lowe's, O'Reilly's. I could not find 023, and I happened to go into O'Reilly's one day, and guess what? They had 023, and I was actually surprised. The last time I had to buy 023 and 025 was on Amazon. That's all I could find. So if you do want to purchase off of Amazon, in case you have Amazon Prime, that way you guys will save you some money. I'll put the link in the description below on that one, okay? But that's it for this video. It's going to be kind of short. Like, subscribe to the channel, share it, help me out, help the channel grow, and we'll get more videos up. Hopefully I'll help you guys out. See ya.